Welcome back to Snooze Housekeeping channel. Today's topic is 3 common problems I have as a room attendant. Before I start, I have an announcement. Recently, I realized that working as a room attendant is strongly related not only to cleaning, but also traveling, especially for staying at hotels. For instance, how to close a snack bag without a tool was already a travel tip. Like I said in my previous video that I want to make this channel beneficial for housekeepers, for hotels, and for the guests. Therefore, I'm gonna add travel tips topics sometimes. Let's talk about 3 common problems I have as a room attendant. This is my opinion, but I think other room attendants have the same experience. Number 1, the most common problem is unplugging the clock. It happens in 3 or 4 rooms for me every day. We have to move furniture to plug in and set the correct time. I feel, again, I just set correct time yesterday in the same room. Why do the guests unplug the clock? Because they don't want any lights when they go to sleep. Here's a solution for the guests. First step, flip over the clock to the wall or turn over. Second step, cover with a towel. Usually this should be enough, but if you still feel bright, here is a third step. I recommend bringing a sheet of tinfoil as a travel item and covering the clock. It's easy to unplug, it takes only 1 second. But it's not 1 second for us to plug in and set the right time. So please try my solutions. For hotels, I'd like to request to buy dimmable alarm clocks with automatic setting time function when replacing the old clocks. That will help both guests and room attendants. Number 2, stuffed sink with food. I see them 1 or 2 times a month. The most common food is cereal. And I've seen mac and cheese, spaghetti with meat sauce, and rice. You know how I feel? I want to cry when I find a lot of food in the sink. Well, we can't fix it. We have to call an engineer to fix it. So for guests, do not try to flush food in the sink, please. If you want to throw food away, just put in the garbage can. If the food contains liquid, such as cereal and noodles, then leave it. It's our job to take care of it. For room attendants, please strain as much as you can before you throw away the food with liquid. My supervisor said that you can flush in the toilet if it's cereal, but never flush noodles. They come back again and again. Number 3, milk in the coffee machine. It happens once every 1 to 2 months to me. Whenever we find it, we have to replace the coffee machine. One time the milk spoiled and I smell sour. Whenever I find it, I don't feel sad or angry. I just feel, why? And I keep wondering for 1 hour. For guests, you can use only water. Please do not pour milk, coffee cream, or anything else in the coffee machine because it takes time for deep cleaning. If you want hot milk, use a microwave. There is a microwave in the public space in any hotels. Now you may wonder, how about dirty sheets such as blood or a child's bed wetting? Guests sometimes come to me and say, "Oh, I'm sorry," with panicking. It's not a big deal, don't worry. It happens very often, and we know the guests are not doing it on purpose. You don't need to feel sorry at all. However, I don't want you to hide the dirty part for our safety, if it's possible. Our next action will change depending on the type of dirt. Here is today's summary. 3 common problems I have as a room attendant are unplugging the clock, stuff the sink with food, milk in the coffee machine. If you have any thoughts, please write down in the comment box. Next time, I'm planning to talk about the melamine sponge. Thank you for watching and see you soon!